Want to create this smooth freeze frame transition in Premiere Pro? Let me show you how. For this freeze frame effect, I've placed these two clips on my Premiere Pro timeline. First, go to the point where these two clips meet, then right-click on the second clip and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. This will create a hold segment. Now, drag that hold segment to the end of the first clip on the V2 track, then move the second clip so it sits directly after the first clip. Next, select the hold segment, then choose the Object Mask tool from the toolbar. After that, go to the Program Monitor and click on the subject you want to mask. Premiere Pro will automatically generate the mask. Now, head over to the Effect Controls panel where you'll see Object Mask 1 under Unassigned Mask. Simply drag that mask into the Opacity section. As soon as you do that, the background will be removed and your masked subject will appear above video 1. Next, right-click on the hold segment and choose Nest to create a nested sequence. Then, with the nested clip selected, go to the Effects panel, search for Transform, and drag it onto the nested clip. After that, open the Effect Controls panel and add a position keyframe under the Transform effect. Place that keyframes at the end of the animation. Then create another position keyframe earlier in the timeline and adjust the position value so the masked subject starts completely outside the frame. Now you'll have a smooth animation where the frozen subject moves into the frame. If you'd like, you can also adjust the animation duration to make it faster or slower. Next, uncheck Use Composition's Shutter Angle, then set the shutter angle to 360 for smoother motion blur. With both keyframes still selected, right-click and choose Temporal Interpolation and click on Ease In. Then right-click again and choose Temporal Interpolation and click on Ease Out. Finally, expand the position property, then adjust the speed graph by dragging the second keyframe's handle toward the left. Move the first keyframe's handle slightly to the left as well. This creates a faster movement at the beginning that gradually slows down for a much smoother animation. And that's it. Your freeze frame effect is now complete. If you want to change the animation speed, simply move the keyframes closer together for a faster animation, or farther apart for a slower one. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.